Hello, dear friends. Do you want to learn how to make a necklace that looks like it came straight from a jewelry store? Today, I'll show you how to bead this elegant floral pearl design that can be used both as a bracelet and a necklace. It's sparkly, elegant, and honestly, way easier than it looks. These are the pearls that I'm going to use for this project. They are 6 and they have come to me from Panda Hall. This is the jewelry chain. Take a close look at the design. Split them into pieces with 3 links each. You can use any type of clasp. I will be using this toggle clasp and 2 jump rings to connect them. Now grab the material and let's dive in. Pick 2 pearls and 1 chain. Pick 3 more pearls. One chain, 1 pearl. Go through all of them once again. And secure them with a couple of knots. So here we have 6 pearls and 2 chain pieces. Go through a couple of pearls. And now you can trim the thread. One piece is ready. Now I am going to make the second piece with 2 pearls, 1 chain, 3 more pearls. Now take the first piece. In the link you can see one side is open and the other side is closed. So use the closed side so that the thread does not slip out. And this is the 6th pearl. Go through all of them once again. And once you finish the circle, tie a couple of knots and trim the thread. Here I have 2 pieces connected to each other, and here there are more pieces connected to each other. You can add as many as you like. And here I have taken a long chain so that the size of the bracelet can be adjusted. Now with the help of a jump ring, I will attach the toggle clasp. Now close the jump ring. And now you can cut the extra chain. In the same way, you can attach the clasp on the other side. And that's it. Your floral pearl necklace is complete. I hope you enjoyed making this as much as I did. If you loved this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow beading friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care. Bye bye.